Vanwari Sofia, study number 632502009. Okay, today I would like to share my opinion about smoking on campus. In my opinion, smoking in campus areas should be strictly prohibited. University is not only a place for academic learning, but also a space that promotes healthy lifestyle, discipline, and respect for others. Allowing people to smoke freely on campus can create an unhealthy environment and send the wrong message to students about health and social responsibility. Cigarette smoke contains dozens of harmful chemicals that can affect both active and passive smokers. Many students and staff may suffer from allergies, asthma, or other respiratory problems that can be worsened by exposure to secondhand smoke. Moreover, the smell of smoke can be very disturbing for non-smokers and can reduce the overall comfort of the learning environment. To solve this issue, university should strictly enforce no smoking policy across all campus areas. At the same time, they can provide special smoking zone location far from classroom, libraries, and other public spaces. In addition, educational campaigns about the dangers of smoking and its impact on health and the environment should be regularly conducted to raise awareness among students. In conclusion, banning smoking on campus is not about limiting individual freedom, but about creating a cleaner, healthier, and more comfortable environment for everyone. A smoke-free campus shows that the institution truly cares about the well-being of its academic community and the preservation of the environment. Thank you. Okay, back again with me, Siti Vanwari Sofia. Today, I want to explain the material about the question word. Okay, first, what are the question word? What do you think the question word is? Here, I will explain the meaning of question word. So, this is the meaning of question word. Question word are words used to ask specific question. They usually end with WH. For example, what, where, when, who, and why. So, they are often called WH question. Okay, so in question word or what are usually called WH question. There are 6 types of question word use, namely 5 W plus 1H. What are they? The first is what, second is where, third is when, fourth is who, fifth is why, and the last is H for how. Okay, next. The first is the meaning of the question word what. That is, to ask about something or an action. An example of the sentence is, what is your name? What do you like? What are you doing? Okay, next, the second question word is where. The meaning is to ask about location or place. So, if you want to ask about someone, location, or place, you can use the question word where. Example sentence: where do you live? Where are you from? Where did you go? Okay, next. The third is the question word when, which means it is a word used to ask about time. So, if you want to ask the time, you can use the question word when. Like this for example. For example, if you want to ask about your friend Putri's birthday, the sentence will be, when is your birthday, Putri? Another example of a sentence that use the word when is, when did you go there? And then, when is the meeting? Continue. The fourth one has the question word who. What is this meaning? So, this question, who is used to ask about a person or people. Example sentences for asking about a group of people. Who will come to the party? Who did it? Siapa saja anggota tim tersebut? Then an example of a sentence to ask just one person is, who is your teacher? Who is the manager of this project? Okay, continue. The fifth is the question word why. The meaning is ask about reason or causes of something. Example sentence: why are you sad? Why are you late? Why is the sky blue? Okay, next. The last question word is how. What is that? So, the question word how is used to ask about way, method, or state of something. For example, how do you go to school? How is the weather today? How many books do you have? Okay, next, we've learned about the 6 question word. However, the question word how has another form. How old is used to ask about age. Example sentence: how old are you? How old is the company? How many to ask number or countable. Example of sentence: how many books do you have? How many students are in the class? How much to ask amount or uncountable, such as water, money, time, and others. Or you can also ask for the price. Example sentence: how much water do you drink every day? How much does this book cost? Okay, next. Here is an example of a conversation about the material, the question word. A. What are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? B. I'm studying English. Saya sedang belajar bahasa Inggris. A. Where are you studying? Di mana kamu belajar? B. At home. Di rumah. Okay, next. This time we will discuss basic question patterns. The pattern is question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb. The question word are is what, where, when, who, why, and how. Auxiliary verb, namely auxiliary verb which are used to help from more complex sentences such as negative sentences, interrogative sentences, or sentences that use curtain tenses. Example of auxiliary verb is am, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, and many more. Then the subject is the part of the sentence that carries the action or is being talked about. Example, I see the dog, the cat, and many more. The subject is usually located at the beginning of the sentence and is followed by a predicate or verb. Kemudian yang terakhir verb that show action activity or state. Example, running, studying, eating, watching, and many more. Example, where do you live? Where as the question word, do as the auxiliary verb, you as the subject, and finally life as the verb. Why is he crying? How does it work? How as the question word, does as the auxiliary verb, it as the subject, and then work as the verb. Next, here are some examples of other sentences using question word naturally. Example sentences: what are you doing this weekend? When will we meet again? Will you coming to the party? Why do you like that movie? And the last, how did you learn English? Okay, next, be careful with word order. So you have to be careful in composing words. For example, like this. What is true is where do you live, not only where you live. Another example, the correct one is why is she crying? Not upset down why she is crying. So, what is true is she, or interrogative sentence, not she is, or declarative sentence. Always use do, does, or is, are after question word when needed. Okay, next, different styles of question. There are two styles of question here. The first is the formal styles. Use more polite and respectful question word, usually used to ask older people. And the second is the informal style, namely using more relaxed and familiar question word, usually used to ask younger people. Example of formal questioning styles. What is your occupation? Informal example, what do you do? Example of formal questioning style, how do you do? And then informal example, how are you? Next, pronunciation guide. What? How to pronounce what? Where? How to pronounce where? When? How to pronounce when? Who? How to pronounce who? Why? To pronounce why? And the last, how? How to pronounce how? Okay, next, summary. This is to help make it easier for you to remember. The first table contains question word, the second table contains their function, and the third table contains examples. What is function is for things. Example, what is your name? Where, its function is for place. Example, where do you live? When, its function is for time. Example, when is your birthday? Who, its function is for person. Example, who is your teacher? And last, why, its function is for reason. Example, why are you sad? Okay, next, how to give short answers. Here is an example of how to answer briefly. The first one, if anyone asks, who is your teacher? You can answer briefly, Mrs. Puspa. Second example, if anyone asks, where do you live? You can answer briefly in Tegal. Third example, if anyone asks, when is your birthday? You can answer briefly in January. Okay, next, using question word in daily life. We can use it when talking to friend, asking for direction, having conversation, learning at school, and others. Okay, next, let's review. From the material we have just discussed, there are question what, where, when, who, why, and how. And then use them to ask question correctly. And then don't forget word order, and last, practice every day. Okay, next, the conclusion of this question word material is question word help us ask for clear information, communicate politely, Then the last one, understand others better. Thank you. I can't believe I've finished explaining the material about question what. I hope you can understand it clearly, and I personally apologize profusely if in making this video there are many mistakes, whether for in pronunciation, in the way of explaining it, or in words that may be offensive, especially for my lecturer, Mrs. Puspa. Thank you, Mrs. Puspa. Thank you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.